In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get new fonts on Instagram for stories, bios, and captions. If you've ever wanted your Instagram text to stand out, this walkthrough will show you the easiest ways to do it, starting with what's already built into the app and then moving to tools that unlock even more styles. First, let's use Instagram's built-in font options for stories. Open Instagram, tap the plus icon, and choose Story. Once your story canvas is open, tap the AA text icon to add text. Now swipe through the font choices along the bottom. You'll see options like Classic, Modern, Neon, Typewriter, Strong, and more, with roughly 9 styles available. After you pick a look you like, customize it, adjust the color with the palette, slide to change the size, tweak alignment, and drag the text to place it exactly where you want. For readability, aim for strong contrast against your background and consider adding a subtle background highlight if your text sits on a busy image. If you want more variety, third-party apps offer a much larger font library. Apps like CapCut, Canva, or Typorama are great for this. Create your text or design inside one of these apps, choose from their expanded font selections and effects, then export your work as an image or video. Head back to Instagram and upload that export to your story. This approach lets you use fonts that go far beyond Instagram's defaults, and it's especially helpful for consistent branding. If you plan to layer your text over photos in Instagram, try exporting with a transparent background when the app supports it, so your text sits cleanly on top. Now, for your bio or captions, Instagram doesn't let you change fonts directly in the editor. That's where web-based font generators come in. Visit a site like igfonts.io or PilyApp, type your text, preview the styled versions, then copy and paste your favorite into your bio or caption. These styles are made from Unicode characters which display as different looks in Instagram. Keep in mind that some devices or screen readers may not handle every character perfectly, so choose styles that remain easy to read. Finally, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. New fonts and text effects are often included in app updates, so keeping current ensures you'll see the latest options right away. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.